McAfee Internet Security for Mac. McAfee is the most expensive product based on the features it provides. For a program that provides basic antivirus protection, along with features already included with Apple's Safari web browser, the value of this product per seat for its price is limited. Easy to install and use, McAfee Internet Security for Mac has many of the important features expected from antivirus software, with information that's easy to find and help protect your Mac. McAfee Internet Security for Mac offers comprehensive protection against hackers, identity theft, phishing scams, and malware, and protects you from dangerous websites, among other Mac threats. When you first launch McAfee software, you'll find the features are easy to navigate and information is largely easy to understand. One of McAfee's unique features is the ability to securely save sensitive information for use in autofill web forms. No firewall to protect your data while connected to Wi-Fi hotspots. No backup software to ensure your data can be recovered or restored. No Mac cleaning software to optimize your Mac. No parental controls to keep your kids safe while they surf online. McAfee did not participate in any independent malware detection test by avtest.org or avcomparatives.org in 2017.